I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I have it. You was just a no habit. So I'ma disappear like magic. You forgot, but I have it. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours.
So I just have my hair in twist under here, and of course just the ends are pinned to the opposite side of my head, and I put this wig cap on, and now we're gonna put on this wig and see how it looks. This wig cap just feels so small, like, so I have to say this wig cap is super small, like it's not fitting all around my head. Dang. Oh. No. So I just ripped the closure or frontal, whatever this is called. Dang. Yeah, this wig cap I got is way too small for my head. And I'm not gonna throw away this closure. I'm gonna, dang, that sucks though. I might have to just redo this wig because the hair looks really good. So I'm gonna go do some finessing. I'm just gonna sew this back together and I'll be right back.
One eternity later.
All right, you guys, so I think I showed you guys what happened before I ended the last part of this video. Gosh, what is this, a frontal or a closure, whatever it's called, it ripped. So I had to take the tracks off. I had to undo the whole wig, sew the tracks on, but I got a better cap. And this one is very stretchy. It's good for my hair. Like, it fits on my head very well. And I don't even have a big head. I just have a lot of hair. So yeah, that other one I had, that cap was horrible. I used this cap to remake my wig. And yeah, so now it's right here looking all beautiful. And I'm excited to put this on. So I'm just gonna go on and do that right now. So you can see on the bottom where it ripped, I just sewed it to try and fix it. I mean, look, you gotta do what you gotta do, and hopefully that works out for me, because hair isn't cheap. So I already cut out the part of the wig cap that was covering the lace, of course, and just gonna put this on now. All right, so this is still tight, but it definitely fits on. So I'm just gonna cut off this little lace, this extra lace part. Right, so just to make this blend better, I'm going to sort of like pluck around this hairline in the front, and then I'm going to put some foundation on the bottom of the lace, because I didn't bleach the knots or anything. So just to make that blend in better, I'm gonna do that and then put this back on and see how it's looking. So I'm not trying to do too much with the gel, but I am going to sort of just put a little bit around my hairline. So I'm just gonna fluff this out. I'm gonna sort of separate the curls. Have it a little part to the side. These hairs might be doing the most. I don't know, tell me what you think. So this is the hair with the middle part.
I used to take myself out on dates. Open my own damn doors, pay for everything.
All right, so that is pretty much it. I'm not exactly sure which side I like it on the most, but I think it's cute. I'll probably play around with it a little more like throughout the weekend. But that is it, you guys. That is my wig transformation video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, this cap works so much better. I could honestly use a bigger cap too. Like, I just could use more like space for my hair and my head to fit into, but it's all good. This works a lot better than the other one. Thank goodness I was able to like sort of fix the lace and redo this over. So I'll have this cap linked down below, and I will also have information about this hair down below. Yeah, I'm glad I was able to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment down below, give a thumbs up, and of course subscribe for more. If you have any questions or anything, leave them down below. I'll be sure to reply. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.